Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
4 to 6 weeks. Their lifespan is 4 to 6 weeks, and they will start to die off in late June into July. The nymphs, however, will be hibernating and maturing for the next 17 years. We'll see brood X again in 2038.
Let's help you make your mark.
Entomologist George Hamilton at Rutgers University in New Brunswick, New Jersey, told Newsweek that people should generally leave the insects alone and that, fortunately, the cicadas do little serious damage to most trees.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.